How to check who viewed your TikTok story. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, you have to move into your application TikTok. Enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this homepage. Now you have to head over to your inbox. At the top left corner, you can see your story. Click on it. Your story will be available to you. In order to check the views, click on Viewers. And there you go. All of the viewers will be available to you in this page. Once the people view your story, then the list of the people will be available to you in here, and then you'll be good to go. So this is simply how you can check who viewed your story on TikTok. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.